Hello friends, today we will discuss about wireless sensor network. What is wireless sensor network? A wireless sensor network is a group of distributed sensor nodes that monitor environmental or physical conditions. Wireless sensor networks are group of sensor nodes which collectively work for several tasks. There is some application of WSN, intrusion detection, weather forecasting, healthcare monitoring, area monitoring. In this diagram, how wireless sensor network is work, it is shown in this diagram. There is a group of collection. Here is sensing region. In this collection of nodes are shown, and between the internet and sensing region, base station is placed. Base station retrieve data from sensing region and give it to the internet. Moving to the next slide, there is shown the scope of wireless sensor network. Environmental monitoring. In this, agricultural monitor, air quality monitor, forest fire detection in environmental monitoring. Environmental monitoring is technology that can monitor and record environmental condition in real time, such as monitor soil moisturizer, temperature. Next is infrastructure monitoring. In that, it monitor physical infrastructure. Next is a healthcare monitor. In this, monitor patient psychological condition by measuring vital signs like temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation. Next is agricultural management. In this, used to monitor and improve the quality and productivity of farming. Moving to the next slide. In this slide, we will discuss about objectives of the wireless sensor network. Efficient data collection and in the wireless sensor network, data collection and transmission both are efficient. Next objective is enhance power efficiency. Next is scalability, robustness and fault tolerance, security and privacy, real time processing. Moving to the next slide, here we will see the some types of wireless sensor network. First is terrestrial wireless sensor network. It consists in a large number of low cost codes deployed on land in given area. In this diagram, we will see the terrestrial wireless sensor network. Next type is underground wireless sensor network. In this diagram, underground wireless networks are shown. It placed underground to monitor condition in the soil, water, oil, and other components. Moving to the next slide, here what underwater wireless sensor network and multimedia wireless sensor networks are shown. A network of sensors and vehicles that are deployed underwater to perform monitor and data collection tasks. Next is a multimedia wireless sensor network that can capture and send multimedia content such as video, audio, and images. Next, in this slide, we will discuss the architecture of wireless sensor network. It consists the following components: sensor nodes, base station, uh, node are a small devices that contain microcontroller, radio transceiver, power source, and memory. It is the component of architecture of wireless sensor network. Next is base station. This is also a component of wireless sensor network. Is a central node that receive data from the sensor nodes and uh, send it through the internet. In this diagram, one computer user searching some data and information on internet, and internet retrieve that data from sensor nodes. Next, in this advantages and disadvantages of wireless sensor network. Some advantages are given here: real time monitoring, cost efficient in large deployment. Wireless sensor networks are cost efficient when we deploy it into large area. Scalability and flexibility. Scalability, this refers to the network's ability to expand and accommodate more sensor nodes. Um, Now, disadvantages of wireless sensor network. Wireless sensor network have some disadvantage also, have disadvantages: limited battery life, security vulnerabilities, challenges in dynamic environment. Security vulnerabilities, it means hacker can hack the wireless networks are easily. Next is changes in dynamic environment, communication disturbance, network disturbance in that we face. Next is uh, conclusion. In this presentation we will see the architecture of wireless sensor network. What is wireless sensor network? Objective and scope of wireless sensor network. Some advantages and disadvantages. Um, in this, wireless sensor network are transformative for real world application in diverse domains like healthcare, agricultural, and security. Thank you for watching.